Welcome back, I'm your boy Solo. In this video, I'll be going over how to do announcements in Twitch chat. This is a feature that Twitch added not so long ago because the platform concluded that the green mod sword icon was not visible enough. And this is a fair bit easier to see in chats that are moving fast. To make an announcement is easy. You can do this in OBS chat or in Twitch in the chat. For this example, I will do this if I was a mod, so I'll be doing this from the chat. So all you need to do is go to twitch.com and go to the channel that you would like to do this in. So for me, this is my own channel. I'm going to click on my icon and go to channel. This is going to bring me to my channel. From here, I want to go to the chat so that it loads up like when you're watching a streamer. So if you're a mod and you're in someone else's stream, you'll be able to do it exactly this your way. From here, it's pretty straightforward. If you're on PC, you can just type a slash and then an A. And it'll give you all the options that are covered by /A. So in alphabetical order, it'll have announce blue, green, orange, and purple. So this will be different colors that it does. And you can see it here on the sidebars. Each different color I pick, it will show up. So if you want it to stick out red, it says blue, but this is like blue and purple. And then it's like green, and then it's orange, and then purple. But I find this here blue one goes into purple a little bit. And those are the ones that you'll have. So for this example, we're just going to select the first one here. If you're on mobile, you will end up having to type in /announce, and you'll have to pick the color. So if you're on mobile or on phone, you'll have to type in these here. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if they come up on phone. I'll definitely double check, but I'm pretty sure that you will have to type these in. So you'll have to remember that it's announce with whatever color you want afterwards. And the examples only show 4 colors. So use blue, green, orange, or purple. When you do /A, it should show everything, all the commands that you're capable of using, including the colors with them. So /A should give you all of the options that you need. That being said, we'll move on to this next part here and we'll type in the command. We're going to pick the first one because it's red. But like I said, you can pick any of these. Okay, we'll actually go with the orange one. The next part here is you want to replace the message. And you want to make sure that you replace everything, including the brackets. If you leave the brackets, they'll end up showing up. Alright, after you type in announce, color. You don't have to put in a color, you can just use announce. This is a test message. I'm going to give this a copy. When you type it in, it will come up with these big orange brackets. So if anyone else is typing in chat and you have some stuff going on in chat, do some random stuff. We'll get a couple emotes in here. Okay, see how much that stands out? So we'll do this here again. This one here, we're going to change it. We're just going to use the regular announce this here time. And like I said, if you type in /anything, the first letter should give you all of the commands that you can do. We're just going to leave this one here blank for this one here just to do it again and show you that the different variations. So if you announce the message again, bam, it shows up in red. So I find these here super cool and it will allow your messages to stand out. So if you're running something like an event or anything at all that you want your chat to know and you don't want it to be mixed up with the rest of the stuff, you can use the announce option and it's /announce in chat. So /ANNOUNCE space message, whatever it is, hi, and it'll announce your message hi. So it's best to have something to copy paste in there for the message unless you like typing it out each time. There's no way to have it automatically do it. I tried in Stream Elements to make a command so that it could run it automatically. That did not work. So you will have to type this in manually and do it each time. You can't make a command for it. That doesn't work currently. But this is a very easy and straightforward way to be able to make sure that your messages show up and have some flair in your chat. So if you find your mods maybe not getting seen or you want some important things to show up, try using the announcements, give it a try. I find it super great, and like I said, it's super straightforward. /A should get you everything you need, unless you're on mobile, and then it's type in the full word /announce. You don't have to use a color like I said, but that's all there is to it. That's as easy as it was. Now you can just do the announcements in chat anytime you want to, just /announce and type in your message. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.